In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Virtual Keyboard for PS4 PS5 Xbox controllers. If you've ever pressed the left stick and had Steam's on-screen keyboard pop up at the worst moment, this walkthrough will help you turn that off by unbinding the Show Keyboard action from your desktop controller layout. Start by launching the Steam client and signing in if you're not already. In the top left corner of Steam, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. This opens the main preferences area where all controller options live. On the left side, select the controller section. Here's where Steam Input keeps your global and desktop configurations, which apply when you're on the desktop or in games that don't have their own overrides. Look for an option labeled Desktop Layout or Desktop Configuration. Depending on your version, you might find it grouped under something called Base Configurations. Open that desktop layout so you can see and edit how your controller behaves when you're not inside a game-specific profile. Click Edit or Edit Layout to bring up the full controller mapping screen. This view shows every button and stick press and what each one is assigned to do. The virtual keyboard is typically bound to the left stick click, also known as L3, although the exact button can vary. On Xbox controllers, it's the same idea, the left stick click. You're looking for an action named Show Keyboard or something very similar tied to that input. Select that binding to open its current action. You'll see it's set to trigger the keyboard. Choose Remove or Clear the command so that no action is assigned to that input. You're not disabling the button itself, you're simply unassigning the keyboard action from it so it won't pop up unexpectedly. Once you've cleared the binding, make sure to save or apply your changes in the layout editor. Steam usually prompts you to confirm, and it's important to complete this step so the new layout is active. After saving, close the configuration window. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.